rivers and tidal waterways 4.3 to 13.5 feet mean low or low water. Areas affected include portions of eastern, northeastern, and southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. When, from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. Impacts include widespread minor coastal flooding is expected along portions of both the east and south coasts during the Friday morning. High tide cycle with pockets of moderate coastal flooding possible. The greatest concern for pockets of moderate coastal flooding will be across North Shore given their exposure to an east-southeast winds. Typically, vulnerable shoreline roads may become flooded and impassable within a few hours of high tide. In addition, there may be significant beach erosion on the south coast, including ocean-exposed beaches of Rhode Island and Westport. Significant beach erosion may also occur on the south side of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. High wind watch remains in effect from Friday morning through Saturday morning. South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible. Areas affected include portions of eastern, northeastern, and southeastern Massachusetts. When, from Friday morning through Saturday morning. Impacts include damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Now for the official